Welcome to the part 2 of Stories of Lord Krishna with Morals. Story number 5, Krishna's love for butter. Krishna loved eating butter. As he grew older, Krishna started stealing butter from his own house and neighbors. Yashoda hung up the butter so that Krishna wouldn't be able to reach it. Slowly, other gopis also followed suit. Krishna and his friends weren't the ones to give up easily. They worked out a solution to this. The next time they raided a house for butter, Krishna made his friends form a human pyramid. He reached the top and broke the pot of butter. The friends relished it, much to the anger and disappointment of the gopis. Moral: focus on the solution and not on the problem. Story number 6, Nalakuvara and Manigriva. Yashoda was so fed up of Krishna's antics that one day she tied him to a mortar. To free himself, Krishna crawled to the 2 trees in his courtyard. Then he proceeded to crawl through the passage between the trees. The mortar got stuck in the gap. Taking advantage of this, Krishna pulled the rope with all his strength. The trees came crashing down and 2 demigods, Nalakuvara and Manigriva, emerged. Krishna had freed them from their curse. Moral: believe in miracles. They do happen. Story number 7, What's inside Krishna's mouth? Once, when Krishna and Balram were playing, the avatar of Lord Vishnu stuffed a handful of mud into his mouth. When Krishna's friends complained to his mother, Yashoda ran to him and asked him to open his mouth. Initially, he refused to open, but when Yashoda gave him a stern look, Krishna obliged. What Yashoda saw wasn't mud, but the entire universe. That's when she realized that Krishna was the Lord in disguise. Moral: always listen to your parents. Story number 8, Krishna and Kaliya. Every day, Krishna would take his cows to graze by the river. Suddenly, the cows started dying after drinking from the river. With his divine power, Krishna realized that the 10-headed serpent Kaliya was poisoning the water with his venom. He confronted Kaliya and asked him to stop, but the stubborn serpent refused. Krishna dived into the river and emerged dancing on Kaliya's head. By then, all the villagers had gathered and were anxious for Krishna. Slowly, the Lord became heavier and heavier until the serpent couldn't bear his weight any longer. Kaliya's wives begged Krishna to stop, and after that they left the river, never to return again. Moral: peace is better than war. Story number 9, Krishna and Arishtasura. One day, a massive bull came to Vrindavan and started attacking the villagers. Nobody knew where it had come from. Everybody started running helter skelter to save their lives. They went to Krishna for help. When Krishna faced the bull, he realized that it was possessed by a demon called Arishtasura. Krishna managed to tackle the bull and pierce its thorns. Finally, the demon left the bull's body and bowed to the Lord. He said that he was a disciple of Lord Brihaspati and had been cursed to become a bull as he had disrespected his teacher. Moral: always respect your teacher. To be continued.